Hey everybody, Tammy Russell, your Outer Banks realtor here, and I am in Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. I featured this little house, I don't know, probably a week or two ago in my newsletter as one of my beach bargains, and I was just showing it to some clients and just had to do a video because it's just so stinking cute. So I'm going to take you in, show you around. You're going to have to let me know what you think. If you have any questions about this property or any others that you've seen here on the Outer Banks, I'm always happy to help. Now this property is currently on the market for $610,000, and it's super rare to find something in this price point that has a pool. We also back to the golf course. They've left trees here to give you a little bit of buffer and privacy, but I can actually see the course through the trees. So if you wanted to trim them up to open up your view, you certainly could. They have a nice deck area here. This home was built in the 70s, but they've done some nice remodels in here. They completely redid this back wall, so it's been sheetrocked, new windows. The decor is really cute, very coastal, light, airy, very beachy. So the kitchen's been completely updated light fixtures, quartz countertops, soft close kitchen cabinetry. They did the white appliances. Then in here, got a good sized bed, queen size bed here, a couple of nightstands. And then this room actually loops right around, and you have your vanity. You can see it kind of links right back out to the main living area. But you also have your laundry here. And then it's the cutest little shower area. The pebbles down there remind me of beach glass. Again, very light, bright, and airy. We're gonna go up and take a look at the two other bedrooms. They have LVP flooring here. This little loft area, if it were me, I would make this into like an area maybe to do a game table. It would also make a really cute little reading nook. You could do a little home office where if people were down at the beach working while on vacation, they could utilize it. Got another nice sized bathroom here. Again, updated vanities. The tile here, if you look close, it looks like waves, and then almost like mother of pearl shells. Down here, this is your bunk room. These are probably the cutest bunk beds I've ever seen. They have the little portholes there. And this is a really spacious room. You've got a full-size bed with a twin above it on each of these bunks, and there's still plenty of room to come in here and move around. Plenty of room for dressers. And then over here, this is another nice size bedroom. Again, lots of natural light, king size bed, plenty of room for that along with the nightstands. Again, $610,000 with a pool. And you can easily ride your bike to the beach from here. So this is what I would consider to be a true Outer Banks beach bargain.